Sairam children. So today we'll start some questions of this chapter, that is how big, how heavy. This is your last chapter and today we'll start with the workbook. In the workbook, in the maths workbook, question number 13 will do, that is word problems. So first word problem is, how many small boxes of dimension 4 into 2 into 6 centimeter can be packed in big boxes of dimension 24 centimeter into 20 centimeter and 36 centimeter. So here you can see length is 4 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter and the height is 6 centimeter. So length, breadth and height are given. In the second case also you can see the length of the box is 24, breadth of the box is 20 and third one is the height. Height is given 36 centimeters. So in this case what you have to do, you have to first find the volume of both the boxes. Volume of both the boxes. So first of all we'll find the volume of small box. So volume of cuboid we will use because the boxes are in cuboid shape. So length multiplied by breadth multiplied by the height. So 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 6. So what will be our answer? It will be 48. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 8 multiplied by 6, 48. 8 times 6 is 48. So we can see from here the volume of the small box is 48. Similarly, we will find the volume of the bigger box. It is 24 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 36. When we will multiply all these three numbers, what we will get? We will get 17,280. Okay. Now we have to find the number of small boxes that can fit inside the big boxes. So for this we will divide 17286, that is 280 divided by 48. So we will divide these two numbers and what we will get? We will get 360. So we can say that 360 boxes, small boxes can fit in the large box. This is question number 1. Now question number 2. The dimension of a lunch box are 20, 8 and 4. So dimension of a lunch, this is a lunch box and the dimensions are given, length, breadth and height, three things are given. So we can see from here, length is this one, length is given 20, breadth is given, breadth of the box, this side, this is breadth is given 8 centimeter and this height is given, this is 4 centimeter. So you have to find the volume and we know the formula for the volume. It is length multiplied breadth multiplied by height. So we'll multiply all the three things. We will get the answer 640. So volume of the lunch box is 640 centimeter cube. Now question number 3. A farmer's cow eat 9 kg of fodder in one day. So in one day it is eating 9 kg of the fodder. How many kilograms of fodder will the farmer need to feed her cow for a month having 31 days? So you have to tell that how much the farmer need, as it is taking 9 kg of fodder in one day. So you have to tell for a month. So in a month, you know it is given 31 days are there. So we'll multiply 9 multiply by 31. This one is wrong here, written here. So we'll multiply 9 by 31. What will get? 9 multiplied by 1, 9 and 9 is a 27. So 279 kg of fodder will be required for 1 month. Now question number 4 is there. In question number 4 it is written, how many tiles of length 30 centimeter, breadth 5 centimeter and height 8 centimeter will be needed to cover a wall of 10 centimeter, thickness 6 centimeter and height 2 meter. Now children, here You can see tiles are given, small tiles are given, and its length, breadth and height are given, and a wall is given and the length, breadth and height of the wall are given. You have to tell how many small these small balls, these tiles will fit inside this wall. Means how many tiles will be required to completely fill this wall, you have to tell. Okay, so what we will do, we will first find the volume of wall, then the volume of the small tile. Okay, then we'll divide both of these things and we'll get the number of tiles. So let's begin. Now here you can see one more thing, noticeable thing is all things are in centimeter: 30 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 6 centimeter, but 2 meter is there, not centimeter, 2 meter. So first of all we'll change this meter into centimeter by multiplying by 100. So we'll get 200 centimeter, so it will be converted into centimeter. So height is 200 centimeter. So first of all, volume of tiles we'll find out. Volume, formula for volume is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Volume of cuboid. So 30 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 8, it is 1200 centimeter cube. Similarly, we'll find the volume of the wall. It is 10 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 200, that is 12,000 centimeter cube. Now for number of tiles, we will divide these two things. We'll get 100 as answer. So this is how we have to do this. Now next one here, fifth question. How many soap case of dimension 5 into 4 into 3 can be packed in the box having dimension 20 into 80 into 60? So these all questions are same. First of all, you have to find the volume of soap, then you have to find the volume of box. First of all, you will find the volume of soap, then you have to find the volume of box, and then you will divide them and you will get the answer. Okay, it is similar to the first question. Now question number 6, Sumit kitten weight 4 kg. Sumit's kitten weight 4 kg. Sumit is having a kitten and its weighs 4 kg. Now here you can see his friend Gayatri got a cat whose weight is 5 times the weight of the kitten. Find the weight of Gayatri's cat, you have to do. Now weight of the kitten is 4 kg and cat's weight is 3 times the kitten's weight. So 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So weight of the cat is 12 kg. Now question number 7 is here. The weight of an object on the moon is 1/6 of the weight of on the earth. An astronaut having 72 kg at the earth went to moon on a mission. How much does he weigh there? It is said that our weight on moon is 1/6 of our actual weight. 1/6 of our actual weight. If I'll say my weight is 36, so if I'll measure my weight on moon, it will be 36 divided by 6. Okay, 6 times divided by 6, it will be 6 kg. On moon my weight will be 6 kg. So similarly, a astronaut is there whose weight is 72 kg on earth, and when he will go on moon it becomes 1/6. So means 72 divided by 6, it will be 12 kg. So it's his weight on moon will be 12 kg. So this is how you have to do all these questions. This PDF of these questions I have provided. You can see this and you can do these questions easily now. So syllabus is complete. You can practice the questions now and prepare for your examination. Sai Ram.